guys, how are you? Today on this Alfa 156 I will show you how to remove the side view mirror from your door. The first thing that you have to have in mind is this cover here. This cover is held in place by just one metal clip around over here, and you have to be very careful to remove it without breaking the cover or the fitting for the metal clip. Very carefully and gently try to see on this upper part here, pry it out with very, okay, this is really not difficult to remove, but at this stage you want to locate a metal shining clip down there, and on the base of that metal shining clip you have plastic. It's on that plastic that you have to pry out, not to damage this black part, this black cover. You want to pry out. I think mine is already glued on. Yes, it was. In fact, you have two metal clips. My lower one is already broken. In the upper one, you want to, well, in both, you want to pry out on the plastic part of it. So the next thing is to remove these two screws, but I first like to take out the plug. The plug, as you may imagine, is underneath, at least part of it is underneath the door cover. So what you can do is actually rotate it a little bit to this side and try to locate the pin from the plug while rotating. And in this way you can almost, I cannot see, at this point you can see better than me because everything is in my way. Okay, and just as you are pushing on a pin, try to pry it out just like this, and it's out. So you are pushing on this tab over here and at the same time prying out on the door cover. This is not too hard. You will not damage the door cover. Now you are safe to remove the three screws. As you are removing the screws, be careful so they don't fall on the holes of the cover. As you can imagine, it already happened to me. So remove, unscrew all three, and then very gently take one at a time so you don't have the problems of missing 10mm screws, those bastards. They are all the same, and at this stage you want to grab on to your side mirror with your other hand or someone else to help you, but you can with the window open, you can do that very easily. In fact, let me just do that. Once again, I have lights and camera on my work area. So this is the kind of stuff. Okay, there you are. All three are the same. The plug is out, and now you will just want to pry it out. It may be stuck on the rubbers. If I can, okay, and pry it out just by hand. This is just old age on the rubbers. So it is out, and you can follow my video about the repair of this side mirror. Don't forget your rubber inside of the mirror. This one, if it stays there, it stays there, but you can remove it to paint or to replace whatever you want. I have to replace this this window scraper. Okay, I don't think he wants to come out. Let's not force it. This is just for the purpose of the video. So guys, I hope you like this quick tip. See you next Sunday for the tutorial video or some other video that I may release. Make sure to like the video, and on the description below there is a lot of information that can be useful for you. See you next time, guys. Bye.